Getting paid on Instagram has literally never been easier, and in this video, I'm gonna show you how I've been able to generate over $8,000 with one account in the last month, and how you can do it too without showing your face, selling a product, or relying on Instagram to pay you a single penny. I was also able to get so good at creating short form content. I helped AJ make 20K in 1 month, Connor make 10K in 1 month, and Elliot make 5K in 1 month, and many more in just a couple months from starting from zero. First step is picking your niche. Now, there are a ton to choose from, but right now the make money online niche is absolutely crushing it because it has massive demand since it's been on an uptrend for decades. Now, don't worry, you don't need to know anything about making money online to create faceless content here, but I'll get to that soon, so stick around. Second step, picking your product. The insane thing about this in 2025 is that you don't actually need to sell anything to make money with Instagram in 2025. Yes, you can still sell a product, but there is a new opportunity that allows you to get paid for views, which is called content rewards. Now, I'll show you how you can get paid for views without relying on Instagram. First, go to WAP, click on Discover, then under Content Rewards, click See All Content Rewards. Now, you'll see hundreds of different opportunities to choose from that pay you just for views. For this video example, we're gonna choose one in the niche Make Money Online. There are a bunch here like WAP UGC Creators or WAVA. So we're gonna click on one of them and join the community. Here, you'll be able to submit your videos right after posting and get paid up to $2 per 1,000 views with faceless content. Meaning if you get 1 million views, that's $2,000 just for one video straight to your bank account. And as you can see, this is not out of reach. Look how many people are making money with this. The important thing to know about this is that these companies want you to get paid because it brings more customers through the door as long as your content is good. So it's a massive win-win. One thing I will mention here is that for the WAP UGC Creators opportunity, it is invite only, so you need to have an existing page in the Make Money Online space in order for your application to be approved. But luckily for you, I have a free 1-hour training on exactly how to make a page in this niche. So after this video, you can click the link at the top of the description to get started as fast as possible. Third step, and this is something that is extremely important and most people miss, which is why they're not successful on Instagram. And this is competitor research. This step is important because we want to create proven viral content. That way you don't have to guess if your video will get views since you'll be recreating viral content in your niche. Fair warning here, with Instagram, there are a ton of pages that you can find that look like they're making money because they have a ton of followers, but actually aren't. The great thing for us is that we know exactly who is making money because WAP literally tells us. You can find competitors by looking at the leaderboard and the chat inside the community like this and find accounts that are actually making money. You'll want to follow these accounts to keep up to date with what type of content they're posting. There's no guessing here. Here's an example of a profile that made $5,000 in the last few weeks. As you can see, a lot of this content is faceless that you can literally recreate. Fourth step is setting up your page and warming it up. The warming up part is crucial because if you want Instagram to push your content to the right audience, you don't want to miss this step. All you're going to do here is create a new Gmail account, create a new Instagram account with that Gmail, and then create a quick name, logo, and bio for your page. Don't overthink this. You can literally use ChatGPT to help you with all of this. So if you take longer than 30 minutes to do this, just know you're probably overthinking it and you're wasting your time. So get this done as quick as possible and let's move on to the money-making step. After the account is created, all you're gonna do is follow your competitors in the previous step and interact with their posts for 10 minutes a day for about 3 days. Once this is done, you can start posting your content on the new account. And finally, your fifth step is to be creating content. And when I say content, I'm talking about Reels, also known as short form content. Reels is gonna be the moneymaker here. Because if you wanna make hundreds of dollars per video, or in other words, hundreds of dollars per hour making simple content, you need to get good at this. If you want a full breakdown on how to make this style of content, then click the 1-hour free training at the top of the description, or if you wanna get handheld coaching by myself, I'll leave the link for that as well. Right now is the best time to start because this massive opportunity launched a couple months ago, and I want you to be the first to get on it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.